You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing English names pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up for you, very interesting. English pronunciation, let's break it down. Rowan. Rowan, alright, I know the spelling makes it look like Rowan, but it's not. It's generally pronounced, at least the most common pronunciation in English, Rowan. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.